Welcome to my world. Hey there, what's up everyone? I'm Robbie, your friendly guide through the wonderful world of ADHD. 32 years young, full of fun. Just to give you a little background, I'm 32 years young and proud to be living with autism spectrum disorder and ADHD. Yep, that's right, I'm a 2-for-1 special. Think of me as the ultimate combo meal of quirks and creativity. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is a UDHD? It's like having a superpower, just a really unique one. It means I get to experience life in a deeply colorful way, with some awesome highs and some interesting twists. From hyper-focusing on my favorite topics, like how many different ways you can make a perfect sandwich, to having moments where I chat with my own thoughts like they're lifelong friends. Yes, we have deep conversations, just not always with other people. So, buckle up. In this channel, I'll take you on an exciting adventure through my daily life, share tips and tricks for navigating challenges, and have some fun along the way.
This is our cat, si Misty. Gutom na yan. So, it's almost 9:30 na. And dito siya nag-breakfast. Inaantay namin si Daddy para siya magpakain sa mga cat. We have 3 cats. Si Misty, si Winter, and si Happy. Ito si Misty, nag-iisa namin male cat. Hi, Whiskey! Hi! Hi, Whiskey! Dito yung si Daddy. Hi, Daddy! So, si Daddy naghuhugas na dito ni Feliz. Kasi walang yaya today. Beautiful day. So now it's 10 a.m. in the morning. So, di ba nag-decide nga kami tumambay muna sa labas. So now, decided na mag-drive-thru muna. Hi muna, Daddy.
Hi.
Ayan. Favorite song yan ni Feliz. Ha! Sing mo na. Jollibee! So, naisipan mo namin mag-drive through today sa Jollibee. Favorite ni Feliz. What's that? What's that, love? Jollibee! Jollibee! Hi, Daddy. Si Daddy nagja-drive.
Yay! Gabi!
Gabi daw. Haba ng pila. Yes. So, ayan. We decided na tumambay muna dito. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Actually, pwede siyang lakarin mula sa bahay namin. So, dito muna kami nag-decide na tumambay muna today dahil holiday naman, magre-relax lang, and iinom kami na shake. Yun na, nagaya na siya mag-swimming. this is the life sa countryside. So, dati kaming nakatira sa Manila and then we decided na lumipat na dito sa province for good. Siyempre, para ma-enjoy yung gantong life. Very slow lang. Laid back. And with nature.
She's going to eat today.
So, ayan. First time namin mag-vote ni Daddy today. It's 3:49 p.m. Nag-decide kami na hapon na lang kami mag-vote dahil feeling ko maraming tao pag umaga.
Puno ka ngayon eh.
So, may disagreement kami between kung umaga or hapon. Gusto ko hapon, so ako naman. Yan time mo namin makatulog si Feliz at iniwan naman siya sa bahay. So, let's vote na. First time namin mag-vote.
Okay.
So, ayan, kakatapos lang namin bumoto. Your finger, put your finger mo. Yan. Kakatapos lang namin bumoto. So, pag wala kaming yaya, wala na namin umuwi agad after namin makumarites doon sa mga watch. Okay. See you later. Nagwawalis pa! What are you doing, love? Ha? Nagwawalis ka? What are you doing? Nagwawalis ka?
Ito kay Lola ko.
Ha? Sipag mo naman, love. Wow! Sipag naman. Sipa. Wow! Nagwawalis ka? Parang kayo ni Wawo nagwawalis? Wow! Wow!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, dito ka, walis ka dito. Tulungan mo dito.
At check, it's 11 p.m. Medyo matagal ko siyang isinayaw before siya nakatulog. You know naman, may ADHD siya. So, kailangan niyan sobrang mapagod before siya makatulog. And that's for all today. Good night, everyone. Bye. See you next time.